Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Clear a workable bed and mark rows so you waste no time. Loosen 15-20 cm of soil, remove roots and stones, then mix in 2-4 cm compost for instant fertility. Once done, sow seeds or transplant seedlings at recommended spacing. Seed depth matters for germination, so follow packet notes. Make sure to water gently after planting to settle soil. This approach speeds establishment and reduces transplant shock, which helps young plants get a strong root lead. Once seedlings are established, switch focus to steady care. Apply mulch to conserve moisture and reduce weeding so roots stay cool. Feed with a balanced NPK or a targeted 5-10-10 for fruiting crops. Follow label rates to avoid burn. Monitor pests and diseases every 7 days. Remove affected leaves and use targeted biological controls when needed. Also, train and tie vines to supports to increase airflow and sunlight exposure. This reduces rot. You finish by harvesting on schedule. Frequent picking stimulates more fruit, so check plants twice weekly. Once harvest ends, clear spent plants, compost healthy residue, and rotate families to prevent disease buildup. Make sure to store seeds or set new succession starts for the next cycle. If crops show stress, yellow leaves, stunted growth, first check soil moisture and pH. A quick test reveals common issues. If pH is off, amend slowly. If pests persist, swap to resistant varieties next season to avoid repeat problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.